Hello everyone, welcome all to my AI list building challenge review. Now, first and foremost, apologies for not showing my pretty face, haha. Well, just having issues with my camera, as one does, as you do, as they say. I'll fix it soon. Anyhow guys, so today I am reviewing, as I said, AI list building challenge. Now that's the newest launch by these guys. You see them here. So the Rhodes brothers, John Rhodes and Matt Rhodes, also known as the Rhodes brothers, and Jen Perdue. Okay, I have checked out this product. I've got it here. It's pretty cool, I must say. Okay, this is Jen. She's doing like an introduction here. That's the members area. This product is going to be delivered to you inside of the membership site. This NAMS stands for, I believe, Novice to Advanced Marketing System. And it was really originally created by Jen's father, David Perdue, I believe. And Jen is just continuing his work. I mean, she's amazing. She's an amazing internet marketer. That's her profile here on Warrior Plus, guys. Let me just show you her profile. We'll have a few upsells as well. I'll show you the whole funnel. Okay. Now the front end of the product is $17. Anyhow, this is Jen's profile. So she has done many launches. She's a very experienced vendor and internet marketer, and she's the kind of person you want to learn from. She clearly knows what she's talking about. I've checked all of that the product comes with. It looks like a little, but if I'll show you. I'll open up the links. So you will see what you will find under each and every of these links. These ones here will take you to free videos. Okay, this is just the quick start guide. It's a PDF. So this PDF is just 7 pages long, but it gives you like an overview of what you will be learning, the steps you need to be taking and all of that. And guys, in short, before I show you what's inside of the members area, let me just tell you, well, the link to this sales page will be below my review, okay? So go check it out. Also, if you decide to pick it up from me, I'll have a bunch of very valuable bonuses. Some of them will be PLR products. So, yeah, you'll get them if you pick up the product via my link. Pause the video, check out the bonuses. I want to go back to the product, though, and tell you more about it. So essentially you will be learning of this training course, guys, how to create a very compelling and attractive looking lead magnet with the help of AI. Now Jen does it using ChatGPT. You can obviously use other AI tools like Gemini. I like Gemini. I have Gemini Advanced, which is around $18 a month, and with that one you get actually 2 months trial. So yeah, look into it if you wish. But anyhow, Jen does it with ChatGPT, and she shows you the whole process, guys, of creating a very high quality lead magnet in whatever niche that you're in. Okay, so the steps she's showing you, the whole process will apply to your business, and it's really like over the shoulder. She's showing you step by step the whole process of creating the lead magnet using nothing but AI, ChatGPT. Now I'll show you here. I'll click through the first video, and that lead magnet obviously you can use to grow your email list. Okay, it's a freebie that you would give away in exchange for people's email addresses, and because that's what you ultimately want to do, especially as an internet marketer, but in whatever niche you are. If you're in a health niche, then you want to build a list of people who would be interested in hearing from you, with whom you can share valuable advice, valuable information, valuable content, but also sell to them as an affiliate or as a vendor or as a product creator, whatever business you have. So yeah. Okay, that's the first video, and let me just show you. Sorry about the noise. That's just the little intro. So Jen will be showing you the whole process here of This is like over 1 hour video, guys. And if I go back to, you see the second link and the third link will be also taking you to the video, but below the video you will have loads of links to, as you can see, there's ChatGPT prompts with examples, ChatGPT prompts without examples, and how to amplify your sales, completed and designed lead magnets. So this is the kind of, let me show you, this is the kind of lead magnet you would be creating. So it is going to look brilliant. So that's what Jen created using nothing but ChatGPT. Look at this PDF. You see? And she'll show you how to do it. And she will recommend a tool that you can use to, to pretty it up so it looks really, eye-catching. So it's not your boring, just plain text ebook. It's more like interactive. She put here like activities to do, and this and that. So pretty cool stuff. So you have it here, and this is the designer, is the tool she would recommend you if you want to make it as fancy looking as this one. You don't have to, but you can. Okay, and yeah, this video here, you see, this is sort of like a live she's doing. And here you just get access to the, well, just to the recording. You get access to this recording. Okay, so let me show you how she goes through the whole process. You see? And seriously, she left no stone unturned. You'll really understand how to squeeze ChatGPT like a lemon. Because the beauty of, AI is amazing. ChatGPT is like an expert. Okay, almost like an expert in pretty much anything, right? It's like the all-knowing oracle, but we need to ask it the right questions. And even like the formatting and all of that can be done using ChatGPT. There's so much using ChatGPT, and there is so much more that's possible with it that we don't really know that it is possible, because we don't know, right? Okay, well, if you don't know something, you don't know it, and simple as that. But once you know it, you cannot unknow it, right? Anyhow, I was pretty impressed. Even like the tables, you can create content. You can have content created by ChatGPT in this format. So yeah, there's a lot Jen shares here. Yeah, that's just the first video, and here you get all of the links. You get the prompts here that she used. She did all of the editing, so you have the prompts ready here. In this document you have the whole process of lead magnet creation, step by step, with the examples. And here is the second one is a bit shorter without examples. But let me also take you to the next video, supercharge your email marketing. Now, in this video, which is also like over 1 hour long, Jen will talk all about affiliate she will talk all about email marketing. And you can also download it as a PDF. Okay, it's 1 hour, over 1 hour video long. And you will learn here how to do email marketing like a pro, okay? And below the video, you will have links to email templates. You see, to a lot of products that, you just click here, you opt in, and you will be sent these products. These are like bonuses. How to make money with your words. So I'm just showing you some of them so you can see the value of this product. 5 ways to repurpose and monetize your content. Okay, there you have it. You see, just click here to download it. You'll get some affiliate email swipes. Affiliate swipe emails, how to create content with a purpose, keyword training. And this video, guys, is actually 2 hours long. And then storytelling, email templates. These are the exact emails they use to send to the list. Okay, now let me also show you the third video. And this one is also 1 hour long, but that's by David and his partner. David is Jen's father. Okay, all to do with email marketing, how to do it, like a professional. So yeah, pretty advanced training on email marketing, on creating a lead magnet with the help of AI, nothing but AI. And then that's where the Rose brothers contributed. So all of the downloads here come from Matt and John. What was it? The 10 free easy to use email list building platforms that they recommend here. So they take you through all of the platforms, all of the autoresponders, really. They do like a comparison between different autoresponders. So especially if you don't have one, or you're not happy with with the one you have at the moment, you can go through this guide and let it lead you to taking the right decision, I guess, right? Now here's your autoresponder sequence builder. So basically, guys, these are prompts that you just need to copy and paste, everything below into ChatGPT on how to write autoresponder email sequences like a pro. That's the whole prompt that you would be pasting into ChatGPT, so it can spit out really valuable email sequences for you. Here is your broadcast email builder. So a broadcast is like a one-off, or like a newsletter, just one-off. An autoresponder is basically like a sequence of a few emails that you would be sending automatically, that your autoresponder would be sending automatically to anyone who has opted into a specific list that you set up in your autoresponder. Okay, so here you will have something under this broadcast email builder, something similar to the previous one. Okay, as you can see, so how to write broadcast email like a pro, and below is the whole prompt. And last but not least, fast and free traffic mastery. So here is your guide on how to, proven strategies for driving free and low cost targeted leads to your offers. So they don't leave you high and dry just by helping you create this like beautiful looking lead magnet and showing you how to do that with the help of AI, okay, but also how to drive traffic to your lead magnet. So you have a very, very extensive guide on getting free traffic. Okay then, so guys, the price of the front end will be $17. As I said, the link to it will be below my review. Go check out the sales page, it's quite nice. So here is all that you get with the front end alone. And by the way, I totally forgot, you're getting this so-called ultimate bonus. And so if you've completed the challenge, and the challenge is create the lead magnet and set it all up in your autoresponder, and once you've got it all done and have at least one subscriber, your first subscriber into your autoresponder, you will get this bonus that is worth $100 plus some secret reward as well. So yeah, that sounds quite exciting. Now let me just quickly show you the funnel. So here we have it. Here is the full funnel info. So the front end, as I said, $17, and it includes AI prompts and step-by-step list building instructions for customers, for you, including generating high-quality sales emails for free, making money from your list, and real-world walkthrough case studies. OTO number 1 is the complete buyers list accelerator package for $27. It will show you how to create the most valuable type of a list, a buyer's list. Yes, you want your list to be a buyer's list. That's 100%. With complete nuts and bolts instructions for setting up sales funnels, attracting the best kind of subscribers, and much more. OTO number 2 is free products to profit for $27. That shows exactly how to use free products to get more leads and also make profits and sales without charging a penny up front. And that is obviously an easy sell and a splendid way of building your list, because the price for it is 0, right? Okay, OTO number 3 is an advanced system that provides direct access to their secret process for building best-selling prompts, exactly like many of the prompts that are included in the AI list building challenge, selling for $99 or free payments of $33. Okay. OTO number 4 is outsourcing with AI masterclass for around $37. That shows you exactly what and how they outsource plus AI to 100x your outputs for faster launches and cash. Yeah, it's about like getting the right outputs from AI. But it all comes down to feeding ChatGPT or Gemini the right prompts. Now we have, a whole army of experts on prompt writing. But anyhow, that's a different subject. Alright, and so click that link below my review. It's gonna take you to the sales page. As I said, you're getting also some bonuses from me. Okay, ciao, love you and leave you. Hopefully, in the next video, I'll have my camera sorted and I'll be back in the little corner. Alright, bye.